now I'm even closer to the raging falls in LA. So this is what 8 inches of rain has done to the falls. They're usually pretty mild, calm water. Look at the water churning, looks like an ocean. It's so amazing. Mother Nature's very, very powerful. This is on the Androscoggin River in Lewiston-Auburn. Again, just incredible force coming over. Large rocks that are actually underneath all that water that you can no longer see. And as you go down the river, that's the bridge that connects Lewiston and Auburn. The water's churning. It looks like an ocean, and it's usually pretty calm, pretty flat. One more time back. The mighty falls. Wow. Wow, very cool.